How to change Instagram password without knowing the old password. So if you don't know the old password and if you want to change your Instagram password, then first of all open up your Instagram application, and after opening your Instagram, then you can simply go to your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then you can go to the upper right corner, which has the three bar icon. Here if you go to settings and privacy, which is on the first option, then you can have this kind of page, and you can go for account center, which is on the first option, and onto that you can go for password and security, and here you will have an option of change password. You can simply tap on change password and you can choose your Instagram account, and here this is the page to change your password. But if you don't remember your password and if you want to change that, then you can simply tap on forgotten your password, and they've said that they have sent an email to your mail account which you have used to create, so you can simply go to that mail, and here you will have that mail to reset your password, right? Simply tap on reset password and then tap on just once or always, anything, and from here you can create your strong password or your new password. So you have to enter the new password, and then you can enter it again to confirm it, and then you can tap on reset password and your password will be changed. So that's it. That's how you change your password without knowing the old password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.